All right, buddy, Walton Hung over here. Let me clear up something that keeps coming up in paid media, the in-house versus agency debate. Everyone asks, should we hire internally or outsource our ads? That question sounds smart, but it completely misses a real problem because paid media rarely fails due to talent. Most of the time, it stalls. Campaigns are live, dashboard looks busy, leads are still coming in, but growth slows. Pipelines kind of flatten, budget kind of get questioned, right? And no one can really clarify and explain why. This is not a execution problem. This is a structure problem. What I see over and over is this. Teams are working hard, but strategy narrows over time. Leadership lacks clear visibility into how ad spends turn into revenue. And testing slows because stability feels safer than experimentation. So paid media slowly shifts from growth engine into a cost center that has to defend itself. Hiring more people usually does not fix this. Neither does switching agencies. What actually fixes is a performance leadership. Clear ownership of strategy, tracking what ties spend to pipeline, not just leads. A testing roadmap that is aligned with revenue, not platform defaults. The companies that avoid long plateaus do one thing differently. They separate strategy from execution. Internal teams handle the day-to-day execution business context. External experts, right, challenge assumptions, reset structure, and bring perspective from outside the bubble. So not because something's broken, but because perspective fades faster than what people realizes. So the real question here is internal or external, right? Should you have in-house or agency? The real question is this: who owns performance direction and how often does it get challenged? Because in paid media, clarity compounds and confusion, unfortunately, quietly kills growth. Let me know questions.